So let's get started. I'm switching on the Photoshop, going to new and have a file. Okay, I'm dragging my image, this one, into Photoshop. I'm taking the brush and make sure that I have the hard brush. I'm just drawing a rough line so that I may have an idea. Now I'm zooming in out, press shift button and click. So a sharp line will be formed. I'm doing this because I have made the reference, so the lines are not so perfect because it's a rough reference basically. So for finalizing I use Photoshop so that I may have the idea about straight lines and all, because Photoshop is very precise in making straight lines. So I will not put so much of details, but just general form so that I may have the idea. So like this I will make whole part of it. Through pen tool I can also use the same. So I'm using the pen tool. Right click, define brush, save a file. Again, like this I may make the whole gun part. So I am using my fast forward because you already have idea how to make the perception lines and stroke lines. So just right click and you will get a stroke panel. In it you will choose the stroke. After that a certain line will be formed. After the stroke line form, you should press the delete. It will delete your path, not your stroke. So I'm selecting this part, rasterize layer, and what I have to do, Control J to duplicate this. This part has been displaced, so I am using Control T and move this little bit so that it may look like straight. Click and drag. This is good because in Maya I have to divide these two parts equally. This is the front and this is the side one, so I have to manage two parts. So I'm only making a side line, so I'm only making a side view, and after that I will just do the symmetry. For having a blueprint, it's not mandatory that you should have a good sketching. If you have a rough idea about sketching, you can also make your own blueprint. That's why what I have done, to finalizing a line and have a refined line, I just switch it on to Photoshop. So using brush, and what I have to do, delete this part, Control J and flip horizontal. That's it. The lines has been separated, so I am putting the lines. Save as a new file. Now it's all been done. What I have to do, just switch this reference to 3ds Max. Use some color correction. It's been saved in JPG. Now I have to turn this reference to Maya.
In the next module, we will get set up the reference image into Maya application.